Big update here on voter turnout. Lok Sabha fifth phase of voting. Overall poll percentage until 5 p.m. is registered at 56.68%. Highest voter turnout in West Bengal, as always, at 73%. That's been voted in West Bengal. Lowest voter turnout recorded again in Maharashtra at 48.6%. You have Jammu and Kashmir voter turnout at 54.21%. Uttar Pradesh sees 55.8% voter turnout, and Bihar at 52.3%, Jharkhand 61%, Ladakh shows well at 67.1%, then Odisha too at 60%, 60.5%. Well, these are the numbers that have clocked in at 5 p.m. Remember, there's another hour of voting numbers that need to be consolidated, and numbers will be coming out. We're going to, of course, be tracking that very closely. But we have Maushmi Singh joining us live from Lucknow. Maushmi, Uttar Pradesh's voter turnout for the fifth phase of polling doesn't seem great. 55.8% voter turnout. It's Amethi and Raebareli that had the top focus, all the limelight on them, considering the Congress really looking to revive their fortunes, and that the turnout or the result in those two seats will really set the tone and give an example of what Congress's potential could be for 2024.
That's right, Nabila. Considering the fact that the fifth phase, one would have hoped that the voting percentage could actually shoot up. We'll have to wait for the final percentage, and we are keeping our fingers crossed. But it's been terribly hot today, and because of that also, the sun beating down, it's been very harrowing experience for voters. But despite that, in Raebareli, I saw especially long queues, voter enthusiasm. We'll have to see whether it really keeps Raebareli aside as far as polling percentage is concerned. But if you look at the 14 seats in Uttar Pradesh, only one went to the Congress and all the rest went to the BJP in 2019. That means this is a BJP stronghold phase where the BJP did extremely well and the Samajwadi Party scored a duck. So one will have to wait and see what that voter turnout actually means for every party. Does it normally indicate the same trend that if the voting percentage is less, that the incumbent government has something to worry about, or do the trends actually mean something else? So let's wait for the final percentage, but not really impressive there, Nabila.
Absolutely. But let me remind our viewers, there's another hour of voting numbers that need to be consolidated and attached. For now, we showed you. In fact, you have at the top is, of course, West Bengal. West Bengal always features the best when it comes to voter turnout at 73%. And the lowest recorded Maharashtra at 48%. 54.2% turnout in Jammu and Kashmir, and Uttar Pradesh at 55%. Bihar 52%, Jharkhand 61%, Ladakh 67%, and Odisha 60%. Now, speaking of Baramulla, Jammu and Kashmir's Baramulla constituency records the highest voter turnout in 3 decades. Jammu and Kashmir's Baramulla constituency there, as it breaks records, we saw people right from the start of the day turning up in droves to vote this Lok Sabha elections. We saw that kind of enthusiasm coming out. Indeed, this was the first voting process right after Article 370 was scrapped. Now, until 5 p.m., Baramulla has recorded 54.2% voter turnout, which is the highest in the last 3 decades, speaking for a lot. In 1996, Baramulla had recorded 50% voter turnout. Former Jammu and Kashmir Minister and NC leader Omar Abdullah and Jammu and Kashmir People's Conference Chief Sajjad Lone are the main contenders for that seat. We saw fierce campaigning that finally came to the polling day, all the way to the polling day, with an impressive voter turnout. Independent candidate Abdul Rashid Sheikh, popularly known as Engineer Rashid, is also in the fray, along with PDP candidate Fayaz Ahmad Mir.
It's firmly a triangular contest as far as Baramulla constituency is concerned. Huge voter turnout expected, and of course security arrangements are there. According to police sources, there are multiple companies, hundreds of companies of paramilitary that have been deployed across North Kashmir to ensure the day goes on peacefully, especially since last 2 days have seen some attacks, including the killing of a BJP sarpanch. So obviously there is emphasis on ensuring foolproof security. But as far as the Festival of Democracy is concerned, today, as far as the 3 seats of Kashmir go, biggest polling and biggest voter turnout is expected in North Kashmir constituency. Campus and Tariq Lone, Mir Farid Badgam for India Today.